Hey gang, welcome back to another episode of UXpreneur. In today's episode, we're going to take a look at Figma's new feature called Auto Layout and show you just how easy it is to implement. It's a good thing too because it helps our engineers be able to understand how much padding to give things like a button. In this video, we're going to look at card design. So grab that popcorn, let's dive in. Flow. The first thing I want to do is grab everything and say auto layout, and here it is. And here we have our card design. So in the top, this item here, we could actually see how everything is like this. We could center it. We have our space. These are our horizontal paddings. You almost want to be just making it equal, 15, 15, and 15. Right, that's the top and bottom. We don't need independent paddings. We center aligned everything inside. Or horizontal or vertical direction is what we're doing from left to right. If we were doing for example, let's just duplicate this and let's change it to horizontal. Yeah, see that? It made it a row. And so what would that look like? Well, that might look like, something like this. I'm going to go ahead and 100 the radius and the width and the height, or even I'll go to 50-50 and make sure that that's, and then lock it. Okay. Now we have a horizontal direction. I can actually select the card itself. The only thing I don't like right now, distance between this and this, it's because we had this box here. So if I just do auto width, it fixes it. Auto width, and you can see here our top and bottom should be 15 as well. And our left and right could be 15 as well. And we're going to clean that right up. I'm going to select the box again. The box looks really long. It's like 812. I don't think it needs to be. Yeah, because we got a 63. So let's do 15. It has a fixed width, that's why. Hug contents. There we go. Nice. Hug. Okay. There we have a really nice item. All right, gang, that concludes our video on Figma's auto layout. I hope you enjoyed that card design and you can design your own cards in the future. If you like this video, click the like button. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribing helps this channel stay alive. And if you want to be notified about future videos, click the bell notification. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.